Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how to refurbish an iPhone 6s LCD, cracked, glass only, using a hot plate. Okay, suctions on when you put on the screen. See, pretty firm. Temperature you guys want to be at is 80. Okay, you don't want to get too hot to burn it out. So first thing you got to do is heat it up to take off the frame. You can't do it with the frame on. So let's give it a little bit, heat it up, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're giving it a little bit. Okay, so it gets kind of warm to the touch. After it's hot, okay, it means the glue is softening on the bezel. You want to go ahead and take it off. Best method I found was to go ahead and push these to the side and pull it off just like that. Sometimes you gotta use your nail just to get in there to pull it off. You see, there goes one, and then same thing for this side. See, now that we got the frame off, okay, what we want to do, you don't want to push your wire, okay, this wire right here, you don't want to push the wire under the polarizer. So I mean, if you have like an opening right there, that's where you're going to want to start. But since it's really cracked, what you might want to do is go ahead and tape it up. So let's go ahead and get our Scotch tape. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just so the glass won't fly everywhere. Alright, it's just to help the glass won't fly everywhere. Okay, so like I said, you might want to start, if you do have an opening, start with the corner that you could see the LCD. You could put the wire right through there so you don't cut off the polarizer. Go ahead and turn it on, put this bad boy down. You want to go ahead and get your wire, okay, that you're going to be doing the separating. Come right in, and then just start cutting away. Want to go down, come back up, loosen the glue again, go back down again. Alright, now since that's done, bring it back around down here, okay, because I didn't remove the bottom part of the frame. It's the easier method that I found. Okay, go ahead and grab this, get your LCD, and gently pull. Take off that glue on the bottom, and then there you go. You have a LCD that you could go ahead and either put Loca or OCA, depending on the method you want to use. Okay, I mean, pretty much to clean this, you could just slide your fingers off. The glue comes right off. Either that, or you could buy one of these. Pretty much it's just acetone. With the acetone, I mean, pretty much it comes right off on a wipe. You might want to use gloves, but this is just to show you. Okay, see, pretty much it just starts coming off. The glue that's there, just pull it off with your finger, no biggie. And then there you go, you got a nice good LCD.